Good evening all. Audio, video clear? Welcome all of you. Let me just check. Because of your live. Audio, video clear hai na? Check. Yes. Because of your live. So we will wait for 30 seconds. By that time, please share this link to all your friends who are preparing for upcoming CSIR-NET exam. Whichever science stream they are, this session will be equally useful for them. सारा science stream का aptitude section similar है, and we are discussing previous year questions of July 2025 exam in this session. And those people who missed, there was another lecture we conducted on mathematical science, chemical science and physical science paper. In this channel you can find it. Today we are discussing life science and earth science paper. Life science and earth science का क्वेश्चन पेपर सेम था जनरल एप्टीट्यूड का. मैथमेटिकल साइंस, फिजिकल साइंस, केमिकल साइंस का क्वेश्चन पेपर भी सेम था. तो एंड ऑल्सो you can subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the upcoming free classes. And also almost 900 free videos are provided in this channel. वो सारा videos access कर सकता है. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the lectures. For the new students, my name is Christy Varghese. I am a CSIR-NET General Aptitude trainer who have trained more than 2 lakh aspirants in the last 11 years. And I have written the book CSIR-NET General Aptitude A New Outlook, which is a current bestseller book for CSIR-NET Part A preparation. ये book purchase करना है तो you can purchase it from Amazon and Flipkart. And if you want more structured courses from our platform, Christy's Classes platform give courses for CSIR-NET General Aptitude and GATE General Aptitude. And the live complete course 2.0 version we are starting from tomorrow, that is 13th August. And due to Independence Day special offer, now you are getting the course at the lowest price ever possible. Independence Day offer के बाद the price will be increasing to almost 2,500 for the 6-month subscription. Currently subscription price is 1,750 only for the 6-month subscription. But if you are preparing for next year CSIR-NET exam, 1 year subscription, 2 year subscription be available hai, in case you are doing M.Sc and starting only your preparation. So a complete course, many people ask for the complete course, is the price this much only? Is it complete itself? Do we have to purchase any other content also along with this? No, this is the, as the name suggests, it is a live complete course. It have everything you need for CSIR-NET General Aptitude preparation. 65 लाइव क्लासेस होगा और सारा लेक्चर्स का रिकॉर्डिंग भी अवेलेबल होगा. लाइव क्लासेस के बाद इन 1 hour 2 hour itself you get the recording of the live class. और वीकली टेस्ट होगा, मॉक टेस्ट, कंप्लीट मॉक टेस्ट ऑफ 10 जनरल एप्टीट्यूड मॉक टेस्ट होगा, and 5 डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशंस होगा, एंड सेपरेट लेक्चर्स ऑन एग्जाम हैक, शॉर्टकट मेथड्स, tips and tricks etc. are there, and detailed study material include topic wise class notes, practice worksheets, and 150 unique flashcards. Earlier it was 100 flashcards. Now we have updated the flashcards to cater to the newer type of questions. July 2025 में newer types few questions were there, so उसका understanding के लिए new flashcards भी add कर रहा है, so that those people who ask कंप्लीट कोर्स लाइव लेना है या रिकॉर्डेड वर्जन भी अवेलेबल है ये प्लेटफॉर्म में. आई ऑलवेज से ऑलवेज join for the latest course. Latest course will be always the live complete course. 2.0 version means we are updating the content and in a more structured way we are planning this course. 3-day classes होगा Monday, Wednesday, Friday. 3-day practice होगा और weekly test होगा on Sunday on the 3 topics we have discussed on that week. So that every week 3 topics are completely understood, concepts also, and also practice also, and analysis of how much you have learned or how much more practice is needed with the help of the weekly test. It's a more structured approach. The latest batch we are starting from tomorrow. Yeah, we will be starting courses every month. New batches are there, but it is always better to join the earlier batches. Because earlier batches hai to there are chances that you can attend the lectures multiple times. For revision you can attend it again also. Normally 4 months mein, almost 4 months mein, the complete syllabus is covered. 6 month ka subscription hai to baki 2 months you can attend the remaining attend the lectures again also. So earlier you join, you will have subscription for more duration till your CSIR-NET exam. I am telling with respect to December CSIR-NET aspirants, but if you are preparing for 2026 June exam, 1 year subscription le sakta hai for more thorough learning and more revision. So yeah, offer price is applicable only as part of this Independence Day offer, and if you are joining the course August 13th batch, join it today or tomorrow morning so that you don't miss any live classes. Live class miss ho raha tha uska recording available hai, but it is always better to go with the schedule. GATE ka bhi live complete course we have introduced. So there also GATE and CSIR ka courses different hai, but if you are planning to join both the courses, there are special combo offer for both the courses together. If you are taking CSIR-NET and GATE दोनों का live complete course का subscription, there will be discount on the course price. Okay, so that's the information about the new course we are starting from tomorrow. So, and those of you want free resources from us, you can follow our Telegram channel, subscribe this channel, download our mobile app, visit our website, text to this WhatsApp numbers, you will get an automatic reply giving you the links of all our resources, and follow our Insta page, Christy's classes, for more updates. Check the description of the video to get the links of all these resources. So that's it. Let's start today's topic. So today we are discussing July 2025 questions of life science and earth science, but yes, session life science, earth science, mathematical science, physical science, chemical science, सारा streams के लिए common है, because every stream aptitude paper is similar only. Okay, so let's start. I'll give you time to try, then I will explain. Most expected questions, when I discussed also, I told that reasoning में miscellaneous questions आ सकता है, and analogy is one miscellaneous question they are asking in the last 2-3 years more. If you are checking my previous YouTube videos, analogy ka question we have discussed less, because CSIR was not asking it earlier, but last 2-3 years mein they are asking this type of questions also. GATE exam mein ye type ka question common tha, but CSIR-NET exam mein it is comparatively newly introduced type of question. But competitive exam mein analogy is a very common type question in general. So try kariye ye question all of you. If you got an answer. Very simple question, na? So analogy, there are different types of analogy. So this type of analogy is called part to whole relation. Part to whole. Man is a part of the whole crowd, or different men together make a crowd, na? Similarly, tree is part of the whole forest. Tree is part of forest, man is part of crowd. So option A is the correct answer. सबको clear है ना? part to whole relationship. For example, another example, hand is to human body. That is part to whole relation. Or many examples you can give. The part to whole is a very common type analogy question. So analogy in detail we will be discussing this live complete course 2.0 में analogy का एक separate lecture होगा, because now as I told CSIR have started asking analogy question more frequently. So ये question clear है. Then try the next question. This was a repetition of February 2025 net exam question. वहाँ पे this was asked like 0.99 into 0.99 into 0.99 का approximate value क्या होगा. Here root was introduced, but it was basically the same question. Try करिए. And virtual calculator allowed था. With virtual calculator this question is even more easier. So try this all of you. Hope all of you have shared the link to your friends also, that more people attend the lecture. If they cannot attend it live, they can watch the recording also. Just share the link to your friends or share it to your WhatsApp group, Telegram group related to CSIR-NET. Those who are preparing for December exam or next year exam, this session will help them to get an idea. Latest question paper में क्या क्या questions आया था, क्या क्या areas ज़्यादा focus करना है, etc. .99 cube root, fully cube root. Okay, so cube root of 0.99 is closest to. What is the meaning of cube root? Cube root of, for example, cube root of x is equal to a means a is that number which multiplied with a itself 3 times will give you x. That's how you can interpret it now. Or if you are not understanding that, write 0.99 cube root is equal to x or a. Cube, take the third power in both sides. So 0.99 equal to a cube मिलेगा ना. That way also you can interpret it. मतलब a का value क्या है, that is what we want to know. But that means which option taken the cube of will you get 0.99. वर्चुअल कैलकुलेटर में करना है तो 0.33 का क्यूब चेक करिए. इज इट नियर टू 0.99? इट वोंट बी. 0.14 का, 0.99 का, 0.45 का. दिस इज द नॉर्मल सॉल्यूशन. ऑप्शन सी मिलेगा. बट दिस इज नॉट द प्रॉपर सॉल्यूशन. Here actually you should know about mathematical graphs. In our data interpretation class we will be discussing about mathematical graph, square function, cube function, etc. So cube function or cube root function, both ways you can interpret it. As I told, if you cube both sides it will be an equation involving a cube. A cube function will be an exponential curve and x cube is equal to x. x cube is equal to x कब होगा? x cube and x is equal when 1 cube is 1. That means 1 का cube root is 1 itself. 1 का cube root is 1 itself. So 1 nearby numbers का cube root 1 nearby होने का chances है. 0.99 is very close to 1 ना, तो उसका क्यूब रूट 1 से क्लोजेस्ट होगा. 1 से क्लोजेस्ट ऑप्शन सी है ना. दिस इज द प्रॉपर सॉल्यूशन और दिस इज द faster solution. No virtual calculator, nothing needed, but you should know basically what is cube and how cubes behave, because 2 cube is 8. Only near to 1 this property is satisfied. That means cube root is almost equal to the value. More the number goes away from 1, it will be more away. That is the exponential graph says. If you are not understanding exponential graph and all, use the first method itself. ऐसा भी कर सकता है, elimination by substituting options. सबको clear है ना, all of you? This July 2025 question, distance and direction. I told you distance and direction से question आने का chances ज़्यादा है. Distance and direction का ये question almost ये February 2025 question का repetition था. February 2025 में ये question पूछा था, उसका एक different version means same type itself, just words change किया है. तो try करिए ये question, distance and direction. Okay, due to lack of time, I'll start explaining. So, distance and direction, you should know all the 8 direction, not 4 direction, not south, east, west, काफी नहीं है, north, east, northwest, south, east, southwest. In the flashcard revision series before the exam, I told about all these things, what you have to know from each of the chapters. You can check out that YouTube video in this channel itself. So, east becomes southeast, which is actually east, this becomes southeast. That means this southeast comes here now. The map is twisted such a way that the southeast becomes east, becomes southeast. So yeah, there you have to be careful. Actual east becomes southeast means you can rename it as southeast. That way you can say ना, मतलब उसके लिए एंटी क्लॉकवाइज साउथ ईस्ट should travel 45 degree anti-clockwise, opposite to the direction of the clock. Then what will northeast become? Northeast is here na. Anti-clockwise it will travel 1 second. Yeah, east becomes southeast means the southeast traveled anti-clockwise 45 degree. So northeast becomes what? This east will travel 45 degree like this. So this will be east. Northeast becomes east. Option B is the correct answer. Hope it is clear. As I told, this was a repetition of this February 2025 question. There it was southwest becomes east. What will north becomes? Importance of analyzing previous year question papers. And 2025 February May, this question was not in life science and earth science paper. That is what you have to understand. Your subject का aptitude paper से भी important है, other subjects का aptitude papers practice करना. Many students don't know the importance of that. They think that their PYQs are important. If you get repeated questions, chances are there that you get repeated questions from other subjects aptitude papers. This question I will come back to. Try this. This also was a repetition question. 2024 में इसका भी एक सिमिलर क्वेश्चन आया था. हियर 6th लार्जेस्ट पूछा था, वहां पे 3rd लार्जेस्ट पूछा था, 3rd लार्जेस्ट. But instead of odd number, I think it was even number, but very similar question. Repetition of a question again. PYQ का repetition है ये question भी. So those of you are joining our course, those of you are doing self-study, for all of you I am telling you, please practice PYQs. Latest PYQs. Not 3 year above, 4 year above. First, last 3 years PYQs first focus. उसके बाद you can take previous years also. But latest PYQs practice किया तो ही you will understand the latest trend. Because these are some questions that was not asked 2-3 years before. Last 2-3 years में ऐसा new type questions बहुत सारा नया आया है. All type questions भी है, new type questions भी है. But theoretically these all comes under number system topic itself. So basically what is odd number, even number? What are digits, etc. If you know, you can do this type of questions. But if you have practiced PYQs, there are chances that you don't make mistakes. Because ये question exam hall में panic situation में read किया तो confusion होने का chances है, wrong answer choose करने का भी chances है. Maybe some of you already got a wrong answer. Read each word clearly. Sixth largest 3-digit number पूछा है. Sixth largest 3-digit number. Okay. 3-digit odd number. एक नंबर ऑड होने के लिए उसका लास्ट डिजिट ऑड होना काफी है ना. मतलब लास्ट डिजिट शुड बी 1 और 3 और 5 और 7 और 9 विथ ऑल डिजिट डिस्टिंक्ट. सारा डिजिट डिफरेंट भी होना चाहिए. So which is the largest such number? Can you take 999? That is the largest 3-digit odd number. But all digits distinct नहीं है. So 999 नहीं चलेगा. 997 नहीं चलेगा because 9 and 9 are not different. Distinct means different होना चाहिए ना. मतलब 991 तक किसी भी नंबर नहीं चलेगा. 989 चलेगा. Is 989 okay? No. 99 again repetition, so not okay. 987, yes. 987 is the first such number which satisfies this condition that largest 3-digit odd number with all digits distinct. But 6th largest are here. So write more such number which satisfies this property. 987 is the first such number. What is the next such number? 985. That is also an odd number with all digits different. 983. 981. That is a 4th largest 3-digit odd number with all digits different. Then 979 allowed नहीं है because 799 repetition. 977 भी allowed नहीं है. 975 okay है. 973 okay है. So this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So option C is the correct answer. सबको clear है? Very simple elementary question, but it is enough to give you a negative mark if you don't read it properly. Or if you haven't practiced such a PYQ before. सबको clear है ना? All of you? Then try this question. This is also a new trend which have started last 2 years. Reminder related question. Divisibility का question है, but divisibility का little trickier area है reminders. There if you know the rules of reminders, it is super easy. Negative reminder का concept भी पता है तो super easy है. That is why this time in the live complete course 2.0 there will be a separate lecture on reminders only. इसके पहले वाला कोर्स में divisibility और reminders एक single lecture में हम complete कर रहा था. But according to the new trend of CSIR-NET question, reminders के लिए separate lecture होगा. so that in depth we can discuss. Yeah, we were discussing this theory earlier, but in a shorter way. But looking at these PYQs, reminders, they have started asking more in detail. Quantitative aptitude reasoning में topics देखा तो there are topics for maybe more than 1 year to study. But what is most relevant for CSIR-NET, you have to identify. That is what I am trying to help you out with. In our course, we will help you what you should learn, what you should not learn, what is important, what is not important. Okay, aptitude is just one part of the whole exam. तो वो मैक्सिमम टाइम में एप्टीट्यूड कंप्लीट करना है, बाकी टाइम सब्जेक्ट पार्ट के लिए देना है. दैट इज योर ऑब्जेक्टिव. उसके लिए आई विल मेक यू डू दैट. कम टाइम में मैक्सिमम मार्क एप्टीट्यूड में लेना है. कम टाइम में मींस प्रिपरेशन का टाइम भी कम होना चाहिए और एग्जाम में एप्टीट्यूड के लिए स्पेंड करने वाला टाइम भी कम होना चाहिए, सो दैट प्रिपरेशन के लिए भी आपको टाइम ज्यादा मिलेगा सब्जेक्ट पार्ट के लिए, एग्जाम में भी टाइम ज्यादा मिलेगा सब्जेक्ट पार्ट कंप्लीट करने के लिए. Okay, so this question, any answers? This question, if you know the theory, it is very simple. 2023 raised to 2024, 2025 raised to 2024, divided by 2024. Divided by 2024. So you should understand first this thing, that a plus b divided by x remainder is same as a by x remainder plus b by x remainder. That is called remainder theorem. R of a plus b plus c plus etc. up to any number divided by n is R of a by n plus R of b by n plus R of c by n etc. R means remainder. इसका एग्जाम्पल भी यहाँ दिया है. तो रिमाइंडर थियरम का डिटेल थियरी ये दोनों फ्लैश कार्ड्स में दिया है, बट लिटिल कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. दैट्स व्हाई आई टोल्ड यू in our detailed course we'll be discussing this more in depth. Now these two properties is what we need to solve this question. In simple way I will try to explain. ये 2023 raised to 2024 का मीनिंग क्या है? 2023 into 2023 into 2023 into up to 2024 times you are multiplying 2023. Exponents are repeated addition, repeated multiplication. 2023 into etc. up to 2024 times. Then you are dividing that by 2024. Now, each of this 2024s, 2023 by 2024 will give you a negative remainder of -1. Remainder 2023 hai. Otherwise, you can say -1 is the negative remainder. As I told, what is negative remainder and all, if you are not familiar, skip it for the time's sake. But once you know this negative remainder concept, it is super easy. -1 2024 times multiply कर रहा है -1 से, otherwise that is nothing but -1 raised to 2024. -1 raised to 2024, this is even number, that will give you +1 only. So this value's remainder is +1. Similarly 2025 is 1 more than 2024, so this is 1 raised to 2024, which is 1. So 1 plus 1 2 will be the final remainder. 2 divided by 2024 का रिमाइंडर 2 है, so ऑप्शन बी is the answer. As I told, ये थोड़ा टेक्निकल है, थोड़ा मैथमेटिकल है. So those who are not familiar with negative remainder, those of you are not familiar with remainder theorem, skip it for the time sake. Even CSIR also have newly introduced this remainder theorem related direct question. Earlier questions था remainder theorem का, but not direct, they were indirect actually. Okay, now if you felt that mathematical questions are being a headache, let us go for 2 reasoning questions. ये भी statement related problems. Normally statement related problem last course में, complete course में, we have taken 3 lectures on statement related problem. Because statement related problem, last 3-4 years they are asking more types of statement related problem. This is a new type which they have asked last year also. Last year and this year they have asked this kind of question. Earlier ऐसा question GATE exam में ज़्यादा होता था, but अभी CSIR में भी, because GATE exam में comprehension is a separate section itself. ये direct comprehension question नहीं है, ये statement का converse, inverse, contrapositive, negation, ये ideas, based on that you can do this question. So try this. Okay, listen very carefully. So it's a conditional statement. Conditional statement means P implies Q type of question. Amit is, yeah, it is not in if then type it is mentioned. Normally conditional statement will be like, if it rains, the field will be wet. Then the field will be wet, like that. Amit is a businessman, so he must be rich. From this, what is implied? Which of the following statement does the implication follow? Only businessmen are rich. Amit is a businessman, so he must be rich. मतलब अमित बिजनेसमैन है इसलिए वो रिच है, उसका मतलब ये नहीं है देर आर नो अदर पीपल हु कैन बी रिच, बट इसका मतलब ये है बिजनेसमैन है तो कंफर्म रिच होना चाहिए, बिकॉज द कीवर्ड गिवन हियर इज मस्ट बी रिच. दैट मीन्स इन ऑल केसेस इट इज ट्रू. सारा बिजनेसमैन का केसेस में ये ट्रू है. दैट इज व्हाट दिस सेंटेंस इज सेइंग. आई एम नॉट सेइंग व्हाट इज द रियलिटी. So only businessmen are rich. This word only is wrong. क्योंकि only businessmen are rich मतलब businessman के अलावा और कोई profession वाला people rich नहीं हो सकता. That is wrong. If one is not a businessman, he cannot be rich. That also is not implied. क्योंकि वो ये statement का inverse है. P implies Q का inverse है. Not P implies not Q. Statement, converse, inverse, contrapositive, these things you should know. Negation also. So option B भी गलत है. All businessmen are rich. हाँ वो तो सही है. Must be rich इसलिए all businessmen are rich. That is clear. क्योंकि only from the data that Amit is businessman, we are saying that he must, or the fact is saying that he must be rich. Compulsorily he should be rich. मतलब सारा businessman rich है. That is what it is implying. So option C is the correct answer. Some businessmen are rich. That is not the correct implication. Some businessmen are rich. Correct implication hoga if the word was may be rich. So he may be rich ऐसा लिखा तो option D was the correct answer. Must be rich means not some, all businessmen are rich. So option C is the correct answer. सबको clear है ना? Statement you have to know. Converse, inverse, contrapositive, when converse will be true, when inverse will be true. Converse true itself, that was a previous year question of 2018 December CSIR-NET exam. ये देखिए another statement related problem asked in the same question paper. Try this, carefully try this. Again, converse, inverse, contrapositive, ये ideas clear है तो you can do this easily. So I told GATE exam में भी ऐसा टाइप का questions, the statement inverse, converse, contrapositive का question आ रहा है. So if you're preparing for both exams, this is a topic that you should concentrate now. Okay, listen. If there is rainfall in a village, flowers will bloom. P implies Q. Rainfall हुआ तो flowers bloom होगा. उसका मीनिंग क्या है? उससे क्या कंक्लूजन निकाल सकता है? Rainfall implies flower blooming. Does that mean that flower blooming means rainfall have happened? Not necessary. That is called converse of the statement. Converse may not be true always. Converse being true or not, that depends on the situation. The rainfall implies flowers blooming. Does not mean that flowers blooming is because only of rainfall. और भी reasons हो सकता है flowers bloom होने के लिए. By pumping water, flowers can, or irrigation, many places where rainfall is very less, flowers are blooming na. So I'm just giving you practical examples just to relate, but you should be able to do this. Like this is a hypothetical situation, usko analyze करके ही you have to say actually. So anyway, P implies Q दिया है, Q implies P नहीं दिया है. Please understand that. If flowers bloom, celebrations will definitely take place. Definitely, must be. Previous question में must be. Similarly, definitely. So flowers bloom हो तो confirm celebrations होगा. Now my question is, उसका meaning, does that mean that celebration हुआ तो flower bloom हुआ या नहीं? We can't say that. Celebration can happen for other reason also. Your birthday celebration is a celebration not because flowers blooming. Celebration can happen for many other reason. New Year celebration हो सकता है, दिवाली celebration हो सकता है, Christmas celebration हो सकता है. Flower blooming is not the only reason for celebration. Flower blooming हुआ तो celebration होगा, उसका मतलब ये नहीं है flower blooming के वजह से ही celebration होगा. Please listen to the sentence carefully because many of you got a wrong answer in the chat. That is why I'm explaining this in detail. Next sentence is saying flowers did not bloom. So you may think that flowers bloom हुआ तो celebration होगा. So flowers did not bloom means celebration नहीं होगा, नहीं हुआ होगा. Is that correct? Not true. Because as I told, flowers did not bloom. As P implies Q does not mean not P implies not Q. If P implies Q implies not P implies not Q, that is called inverse is also true. Inverse true होना जरूरी नहीं है. It depends on the situation. So flowers did not bloom, that does not mean that celebration did not take place. Celebration can take place for some other reason also. But flowers did not bloom means rainfall nahi hua hoga, that we can say na. Why? Because if rainfall happened, flowers should bloom. Flowers did not bloom means at least we can say rainfall didn't happen. Because rainfall hua to flowers bloom hona chahiye. This is called contrapositive of a statement. If a statement is true, its contrapositive should always be true. For example, if it rained last night, field will be wet. If this is a conditional statement, so contrapositive क्या है? If the field is not wet, it did not rain last night. क्योंकि raining हुआ तो confirm field wet होना चाहिए ना. Field wet नहीं है, मतलब क्या है? Raining नहीं हुआ है. समझ में आ रहा है? Same way here we can say rainfall हुआ तो flowers bloom होना चाहिए. Flowers bloom नहीं हुआ मतलब क्या है? Rainfall नहीं हुआ होगा, that is for sure. Are you understanding? That means it did not rain. Option C is the correct answer. Celebration did not take place. Option B is not the correct answer. Some of you got correct answer also. Very good, very good. All of you understood? Statement related problem. These concepts, if you understand, yeah, these flashcards, even when questions are not there much on converse, inverse, contrapositive, in our flashcard set, this flashcard was already there. Now they have started asking more question related to statements. But this was identified as a very important topic earlier itself in our course. Okay, so try the next question. Yeah, before going to the next question, like to hear your feedback from all of you. If you are feeling the session is useful, at least hit the like button, or if you can do more, comment on this video, or if possible, share it among your WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups, or friends who are preparing for CSIR-NET. Whichever science stream they are preparing. If they are a life science or a mathematical science or physical science or chemical science or earth science student, share this video to them. Let them also get benefited if this session is useful. So, and if you cannot share, at least by hitting the like button, you are triggering YouTube to recommend this video to more people, because that is how YouTube algorithm works. If the viewers of a video is liking the video, the meaning is the video is worth it. So if you feel this video is useful, do like the video at least. Try kariye ye question. It's a very simple common sense question. Just reading the question properly, that is the main thing. Okay, I'll start explaining. A pilgrim starts walking for a journey of 115 km. On the first day, he covers 7 km. Next day, 9 km. So 7, then 9. 7, 9. And likewise, keep adding 2 km every day. Matlab 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. Now, after reaching 15, what he did? He maintains 15 km for the rest of the journey. Matlab, then it is 15, 15, 15, 15 repeated till completing 115. So, how many days in all will he take to complete the journey? So, 7, you have to count and see. You can take options to get a clarity. Option A 7 means 7 plus 9, 16 plus 11, 27. Yeah, if you want, you can use sum of अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन का सम यूज कर सकता है, अदरवाइज मैन्युअली ऐड कर सकता है, अदरवाइज वर्चुअल कैलकुलेटर यूज कर सकता है. 16 + 11 27 + 13 40 40 + 15, or after 40 you can do something. If you don't want to take options, 115 - 40 करिए. 115 - 40 क्या है? 75 है ना. To form 75, how many 15s are needed? How many 15s are needed to get 75? 6 15s are needed ना. 15 15 15 6 times are needed. मतलब 6 days with 15 kilometer, 4 more days. So 6 + 4 10 total. सबको clear है ना? Very simple question. You use the right method. Any doubts? Please ask if there is any doubts. Yes, Meera, you have explained it well in the chat. And this question actually, after exam, many students asked me doubt regarding this question. The answer key when CSIR have published. CSIR's answer key is correct only for this question, but the explanation may take some time. So I will briefly explain this. Population of a town over the year 2000 to 2007 is shown in the given figure. It can be inferred that during 2000 to 2007, tak, this data we need to check. Population increased linearly. Again, just a peripheral knowledge that linear is this, exponential is this shape somehow is not enough. Then you may think that population increase exponentially is correct. Option D correct nahi hai. Because mathematically, exponential increase means difference between values should be a geometric progression. 5,000 and 5,000 for 50,000 and 50,400 का difference 400 का है ना. 400 और 50,400 और 51,600 का difference 1,200 का है ना. This difference is 2,000. This difference is 2,800 and so on. 400 into 3 is 1,200, but 1,200 into 3 is not 2,000. If there was a common ratio, we can say it's an exponential increase. But this is actually an arithmetic progression. ये difference arithmetic progression है. Difference arithmetic progression है तो that means that rate of increase, not increase. Increase is not linear. Population increase linear means it should be a straight line. There's a flashcard on mathematical graphs itself. There I have explained linear graph कैसा होगा. This is not a linear graph. Rate of increase मतलब slope is actually following an arithmetic progression. Rate of increase of population increase linearly. Because 400 1200 का difference क्या है? 800. 1200 2000 का increase क्या है? Difference क्या है? 800. 2000 to 2800 का difference क्या है? 800. And if you take this difference also, this is 3200, 3600, 2800 and 3600 का difference भी 800 है. मतलब ये difference is following an arithmetic progression. Those of you attended my series formation chapter, 2-tier arithmetic sequence के बारे में हम discuss किया था. Same idea. If it is a 2-tier arithmetic sequence, rate of increase is linear, that is the meaning. Here population is the data, so rate of increase of population increased linearly. As I told, population increase exponentially के लिए ये difference एक geometric progression होना चाहिए. Yeah, this question also is little technical. If you don't know the theory of mathematical graphs, geometric progression, arithmetic progression, थोड़ा tricky है. As I told, in this video we are just explaining few of the most important questions which came in July 2025. More detailed, in-depth learning of each of these topics are done in our live complete course. So once again reminding new students, tomorrow we are starting the live complete course 2.0 version of the CSIR-NET live complete course for General Aptitude for the upcoming CSIR-NET exam. We will be starting this course again next month, but this is the first batch of this 2.0 version for this upcoming exam. So those of you who want to join the course, enroll now because of Independence Day special offer. You can avail this course at the least price possible. After this Independence Day offer, the price will be increasing. So currently for 6 month subscription it is just 1750 rupees for the subscription, and इसमें complete course है, live classes, recordings, exam hacks, mock test, doubt clearing session, detailed study material, complete previous year questions का discussion topic by topic, including this July 2025 question. Now we have just discussed July 2025 question year wise. Topic by topic with the theory we will be discussing in detail, and detailed solutions of these questions also will be provided. और डाउट्स के लिए डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशंस होगा, डिस्कशन ग्रुप होगा, एक्स्ट्रा रिसोर्सेस भी होगा as part of this course. As I told, 3-day live classes, 3-day practice, and Sunday weekly test. That way it is a more systematic course. You will be on track once you join this live complete course. Those of you cannot afford the live complete course, for them only I will recommend the recorded course. So if you are able to join our live complete course, that is the best course to join compared to any of our recorded course or any of our YouTube videos. YouTube videos are helpful, but as I told, last few years they have introduced new types of question. Some areas are given more importance, some areas are given less importance. And YouTube videos, recorded videos, if you can maintain the routine, it is good. But the problem is many students are not able to maintain the routine. Here we will give you the structure, how to study, when to study, or how you can systematically prepare. Monday एक class होगा तो वो Monday class का practice questions Tuesday आपको मिलेगा, so that slowly and steadily you can learn each of the general aptitude topics, so that you won't be anytime demotivated to practice. So that is it. If there is no other doubts, let's conclude. GATE का भी live complete course available है. We have discussed almost 10 or 11 questions, I guess. बाकी questions का discussion in our detailed course we will be doing. And make use of this special discount offer, and check the description for the link of the live complete course for GATE also, it's for CSIR-NET also. And you are welcome to be part of our other free resources, and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon if you don't want to miss any upcoming updates. So that's it. Thank you all of you. Take care all of you. See you all in the next class. Have a good night. Bye-bye. Those of you have any doubts regarding the course, you can mention that in the comment section. We will reply you, and you can contact us at the number given in the bottom of the screen also for any queries.